Dear students, I'm your teacher from Government Girls High School, Vilgam. I'm again with you in an offline class with your subject social science. My topic is from its geography part, that's human resources. It's for 8th class. You know, I told you so many things about human resources in the previous classes. Presently, I am going to share some important points, more important points regarding this subject with you. Today, I will share with you, I will tell you that what are the human resources of our state, Jammu and Kashmir state. Some points I will tell you about this human resources of J&K state. Human resources in Jammu and Kashmir are not equally distributed and they differ in their capabilities, age, and sex. The vast area of Ladakh is sparsely populated, while the valley bed in Kashmir and plains in Jammu are densely populated. The urban population is more secular than the rural. The urban populace is professional, while the rural populace is agrarian pastoral. The population of Jammu and Kashmir in 2011 is reported to be 125,48926. However, the census of 2011 reflects many noteworthy facts regarding population change in J&K state. Literacy rate has gone up to 68% in 2011 as compared to 54% in 2001. Sex ratio has declined from 892 in 2001 to 883 in 2011. Decadal growth rate is higher than that of India, but sex ratio is lower, though the same has increased as compared to 70s. So when we describe the human resources of J&K state, so we see that as per the census here available with me and as per the data here available with me, the different graphs changes and positions percentages of human resources here and the three regions of J&K state and an overall information regarding this. This is a little bit about the human resources, about the population of our state, J&K state. There's much more that needs to be described, that needs to be defined, that needs to be known. But here we are bound in our syllabus. At this level, these are the basic points, important points that I shared with you regarding the population of J&K as per the census of 2001 available here with me in this book. With the passage of time, there are more changes in this population composition, and this goes on changing. Efforts are made to make this better and better. I will again be with you with updated things, with more information. I think this is sufficient for this class, for today's class. I'll be meeting with you for today. This is sufficient. I'm leaving you with the request that try to remember these things and taking care of your health and career. Try to increase your knowledge and try to prepare yourselves for the forthcoming examinations. Wishing you a bright future and a nice day ahead. Thank you.